It can be awkward to get light into a dark corner. The solution? A tall, narrow light bar that can fill the space not just with light, but with color and even audio too. Even your own personal sound and light fireworks show. Yep, you could call this the tallest speaker on the market or the loudest light. Meet the new Govee Floor Lamp Pro. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and in this review I got to try one out here in my home for a couple of weeks. So I'll tell you what you have to do to set it up, what it's like to use, what cool things it can do, and if overall I think I can recommend this smart lamp for you. Let's take a look at what you're getting. Govee Floor Lamp Pro is a cleverly designed lamp that will practically disappear into your space until it lights up. It consists of a larger cylindrical base and a narrow light tube. It's controlled using the included magnetic remote control or with the free Govee app. With a max brightness of 2100 lumens, it's brighter than other Govee floor lamps too. Now before you get to switch it on, you do have some easy assembly to do. Inside the box, you get the cylindrical base, a chubby, flexible silicone LED light tube, a remote control with magnetic clip, plus a plug and 3 sections of aluminum which will form the backbone of the light. The light's going to come together in a few minutes. The small screws you need are included, as is a screwdriver, which is a convenient touch. Just fit each section of the aluminum tube together and secure it with the screws. Then you'll press the silicone lighting tube into the groove in the aluminum channel. Everything goes together really easily, and once you plug your light in, it's essentially ready to go. You'll want to sign into or sign up for the free Govee Home app, which is going to be your command center for the Floor Light Pro. I've reviewed almost a dozen Govee lights, and I can say in every instance, setting them up has taken about a minute. They connect easily and without any problems. There are so many options for lighting, effects, presets, and colors in the Govee app. You'll be able to manage all of the settings for your light, including the brightness, the different color options, and adding what's called Music Sync, which lets your light pulse and flash in time to music or speech, including talking or movies and TV, all right inside the app. This light, like all Govee smart lights, also allows you to set pre-programmed color scenes or to choose the individual colors you'd like to have along the length of the light. You might be wondering what the difference is between the Govee Floor Lamp and the Govee Floor Lamp Pro. In a nutshell, the main difference between this light and the regular floor lamp is that this particular light adds a speaker, which we'll get to, and the Pro version is also taller and it adds several more adjustable sections of light. There are 9 segments in the light stick, which is up from 8 in the regular floor lamp, and here the base also has a light up LED ring with 5 light segments of its own, which can match the light pole or glow a whole different color or series of colors, including warm or cool white light. You can place it in a corner or against the wall and aim the LED light strip at the background, creating kind of an ambient look. This has the beautiful effect of reflecting the light all around the space and creating an even bigger glow. Of course, if you prefer to specifically illuminate a space in your room, just turn the light tube around to face you and it'll cast a bright glow into the room. I found the light really effective both as a task light and as a room brightener, as well as a relaxing ambient light effect. The light up LED ring along the base is also a really nice touch. You can turn the rest of the light off and leave a section or two of this light on to act as a dim ambient light for night light. A new addition to this light is the addition of a built-in speaker into the now fabric-covered base. Similar to the Govee night light, this light will also integrate ambient sounds and nature tracks into some of its lighting effects. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't appear you can turn these completely off. Instead, the lowest volume level you seem to be able to achieve is 1%, which is still noticeable if you're sitting near it. Now, in truth, you should get an option for turning off the white noise in the upper portion of the app. It would be kind of nice if this control actually rested with the volume dial, but at least you do have a way to shut it off now. The speaker is kind of a fun touch, but it's not super high fidelity. Since the light connects with Bluetooth, this means you can also use the lamp as a music speaker, connecting directly from your phone or device. If you want full instructions on how to do that, you can head over to techgadgetsinternational.com where I have all the details. With Floor Lamp Pro, you can also do things like set a sleep timer, which will turn the light off after a preset period of time, or schedule it on a calendar basis to turn on at certain times of the day and off at others. With so much going on related to the app, it might be easy to forget there is also that small remote control. The remote is simple but effective, with buttons to turn the power on and off, a dedicated music sync button. You don't need to necessarily reach for your phone if you don't want to. You can also brighten and dim with a click, change the color, and fast track your way to both warm and cool white light also. The remote will make the light extremely useful even for non-techie types, and if you add the magnetic clip, you can simply leave the remote where it's easy to find. If you'd like to add voice control to your Govee floor lamp, you can either connect Google or Alexa to your light using the Govee app. I've connected both services to my Govee app, and I routinely use both of those digital assistants to control the half dozen or so Govee lights I now own. Adding the voice control is as easy as the initial setup and takes just a couple of confirmation clicks, and it does require you to sign into an existing Google or Alexa smart home account. Overall, Govee has another crowd pleaser on its hand with this fun and versatile light. On the Pro side, it's both bright and colorful with an array of different colors and lighting presets, making it great for both task lighting, spot lighting, and special effects. The Govee app is super easy to use and very user-friendly, and the setup process is so easy a child could do it. The light offers different segments of light, so you can have as much or as little as you want, and the fact that the base can be controlled separately from the main light gives it even more options as a night light or ambient light. There's also the fact this light has a built-in speaker and comes with a host of ambient and natural sound effects if you just want to chill. So what are the downsides? I guess the biggest con would be that the speaker quality is pretty basic, but given that it's kind of an extra added feature that doesn't have much to do with the core purpose of this light, it's kind of hard to fault it. I actually found I didn't mind the speaker when I chose some of the nature sounds on a lower volume. It kind of gives you just a nice ambient audio effect. In all honesty, I'm having a really hard time finding anything I really didn't like about this light. I can absolutely recommend the Govee Floor Lamp Pro to you pretty much no matter what your use case for it is. Govee Floor Lamp Pro sells for about $199 Canadian or $149 US, and it comes in both silver and black, and you can get it from places like Amazon, Best Buy, or Govee's website. And if you want to check out some other really cool lighting options from Govee, I've reviewed almost a dozen of their lights. Check some of those reviews out right now.